Hello, buongiorno a tutti! My name is Anna and today I'm gonna be teaching you 10 curse words in Italian that you really need to know. Let's get started! The first one is merda, merda, which means shit. Let's give you an example. Merda, ho dimenticato le chiavi a casa. Shit, I forgot my keys at home. The second one is rompipalle o rompiscatole. This literally means someone who breaks the balls. Mio fratello è un vero rompiscatole. My brother, he's a pain in the ass. The third one, but not less important, it's cazzo. Cazzo means dick. Be careful with the pronunciation. Cazzo. It's an exclamation, a swearing word when you don't know something or when you want to emphasize a situation. Cazzo, non ricordo dove ho parcheggiato. Shit, I don't remember where I parked. Cazzata. This comes from cazzo and it means bullshit or crap. An example can be Giuseppe, hai fatto una cazzata. Giuseppe, you did something wrong. You did some bullshit. Coglione. This word means dickhead or asshole. Ma ancora non hai capito? Sei un coglione. You didn't understand yet. You're an asshole. One slightly more polite synonym for this one can be idiota, which means idiot. Next one, it's very well known. Vaffanculo. This one means go fuck yourself. Let's see an example. Ma non hai ancora fatto quello che ti ho chiesto? Ma vaffanculo. You didn't do what I told you to do. Go fuck yourself. Stronzo. Stronzo, literally, it's piece of shit, asshole, bastard. Ma mi hai tradito con quella? Ma sei uno stronzo! You betrayed me with that one! Oh, you're an asshole! Now let's go into the word figa. Figa, literally, means pussy, but we generally use it when we want to emphasize that someone, generally a girl, is really beautiful. Let's see an example. Wow, ho conosciuto una ragazza molto figa. I just met a really beautiful girl. Similar to the previous word, we have the word figata, which means something awesome. Let's see an example together. Che figata! Sono entrata nella cabina dei piloti dell'aereo. Wow, how fantastic! I've entered the pilot's cabin in the plane. And the last one is puttana or troia. We use them indistinctively, but they both mean the same. Bitch. Che puttana, mi ha tradito con il suo boss. Such a whore. She cheated on me with her boss. So there you have 10 Italian curse words.